Hundreds of kids are now nurturing their dreams at Nachiketa Tapovan, a modern-day Gurukul where the spiritual and moral values are combined with contemporary schooling practices and imparted to the underprivileged sections of society.
I want to become a doctor.
To feed the hungry minds and stomachs, Nachiketa Tapovan started its operations in the year 2001 in the slums by first distributing free food packets to the children and then slowly cajoling them to study. Nestled in the community of international schools, this school is leaving no stone unturned in providing free education to more than 250 children from economically backward communities. Apart from the regular faculty, Nachiketa Tapovan has a varied group of volunteers ranging from housewives to IT professionals with good educational qualifications who are committed to the organization.
This is the right school for me, and the children here come from a weaker economic background, but their level of intelligence is on par with any of our children.
The children from Bharati Vidya Bhavan, from Maharshi Vidyalaya, they were all participating in this year's summer camp, and they realized how important it is to be a part of an organization where human values are given importance.
Coming here has taught me a lot.
Volunteers are so happy because we give them a lot of freedom to them. So they feel so happy to implement their way of teaching.
To augment the classroom learning with practical experience, many field trips, science fairs, quizzes and other extracurricular activities are conducted for the children.
I learned so many things and so many spiritual values.
To ensure the children's all-round development, yoga is included in their curriculum. They are also trained in arts and crafts.
I have learned a lot in these few years from the children. It is my passion and my ultimate last breath that I can teach the children whatever I can do.
Nachiketa, which means beyond happiness and sorrow, nurtures within the children intrinsic values like discipline, accountability, integrity, self-reliance, spirituality and decency. Most of the children here are first-generation schoolgoers whose parents are illiterate. To avoid the children from going back to work after they reach home, the school holds remedial and bridge classes until 5 p.m.
పిల్లలు ఇక్కడ ఏరిన తర్వాత చాలా మార్పు వచ్చింది మేడం. అంతకుముందు చెప్పిన మాట ఇన్వాల్వ్ కాదు సరిగా. ఇప్పుడు మాగే వాళ్ళు చెప్తున్నారు మేడం బాగా.
Nachiketa Tapovan is not only shaping the lives of children but is also helping their parents by providing them with employment as well as counseling support to discharge their duties better. The school conducts dental and eye camps apart from regular Sunday dispensary for the children as well as for the slum dwellers residing in the nearby areas. In an attempt to mold the children as socially responsible individuals, the school initiated a Go Green Club. The children actively participate in recycling waste, and the money earned is used to buy notebooks or other requirements. The school's support to the students' education doesn't end here. They further fund the college education for the meritorious students, and the other students undergo vocational training. Let's be a part of this organization and enable them to reach out to more children with a license to dream and provide them with the means to achieve those dreams.